So, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Raj Pankaj Doshi, and I am a Master's in Data Science student at Northeastern University. I have done my bachelor's in Computer Science Engineering back in India. I always like to explore new things, which is why I've done two internships, one as a software developer intern and one as a web developer intern. I have done my final year project in augmented and virtual reality, where I led a team of three. I was always inclined towards mathematics and computer science, which is where I realized that data science is the field where I could enjoy both of them. I'm really very keen to deep dive into my field of interest and something that makes me happy. I possess all the skills and qualifications required for this internship. I have a deep foundation in machine learning algorithms. I'm currently pursuing and learning unsupervised machine learning, where I'm learning about the recommendation systems, maybe market basket analysis, frequent item set, custom market, and much more, etc. I have a deep knowledge in mathematics of supervised machine learning as well. Further, I would like to say I believe in myself and I believe that I can really explain things to people in much more easier and simpler manner. As we know, the Python is upgrowing and the most generalized programming language nowadays. Python is very easy to interpret, easy to understand, and also very easy to code. I personally use it for solving day-to-day challenges on lead code and doing competitive programming questions as well. Further, I would like to say I believe in myself and I believe that whatever I do, I can complete it. And I say that perseverance is really my key to success. I would like to say I would just like to gain more and more real world experience and gain some insights from the senior colleagues and see how they work and how I can inculcate those values in myself to grow as well as help the organization grow by putting my real competencies to work and make a real difference in the world. Further, now let me tell you about how I would explain backpropagation. Backpropagation is used by computers to solve the mistakes that they have already made in much more simpler manner. So the computers keep using this like by it keeps on guessing the new and new things until it comes to a particular task. So let me give you a concrete example which would make this concept more and more clear. So let's say there are five students, right? So they are standing in a queue, the first student and the fifth student. So I give number 30 to the first student and give him one task that he has to add one and pass it to the next student. It's that simple. So the fifth student will get the number as 35, right? As you keep on adding one, and the subsequent students will keep on adding and pass it to the next student until the last student will get the final number as 35. But now, what if the last student got the number as 90 or 50? In that case, this is wrong, right? The correct output is not matching with what the fifth person has. So in that case, we will repeat the same procedure again until you get the right answer or the nearest possible answer, which is the best or the optimal answer that you can get. So you're reducing the mistakes, you're reducing the error. This is what back propagation means. This is my way of explaining back propagation to a 5-year-old or grandmother. Thank you.